Hey guys, in this video I am just going to tell you how we can download Autodesk Fusion 360. Autodesk Fusion 360 is a cloud-based CAD/CAM software, so you don't need a very strong PC to run this software. So let's get started. First I will open the Google page, then I will write here Autodesk Fusion 360 download. So here you can see I will just click on here on the Autodesk website. I will click on here to download Autodesk Fusion 360 for free. So here you can see this page will open. At the bottom here you can see the option to download the free trial. It will be active for 30 days. So when the 30 days is over, we can change our license from a trial to student version, a student license, or we can also able to change that to personal license. That is also free for 1 year. So for now I will just install 30 days trial, because this way we will get to use this software for 13 months, that is 12 months for a student license or educator license and 30 days for this trial. So I will just click on here. So you can see the new window will open where it is asking me to it is telling me that this trial will be active for 30 days. Then I will click on here on this next option here. Then it is asking me to sign in to my Autodesk account. So if you don't have any Autodesk account, just go and create. It's very simple and free. You can just create account using any of the social media sites. So I will highly recommend you to go and create your Autodesk account if you don't have. Since I already have the Autodesk account, I will just log in using that. So here you can see I had written my username for my Autodesk account. Now I will write down my password for my Autodesk account, and here you can see I just logged in inside the page. And after this I have to put some basic information. I will just put some of my information here. So here you can see I had put all the necessary information here. I will write the company name also. So you can write anything. If you don't have any company name, you can just write your company name that you wish to work, or you can write the company name that you are working for now. So it's on you that what information you want to provide here, but try to put at least some genuine information. Then I will click on begin trial here. So here you can see it is saying me that thanks for downloading Fusion 360, and you have to wait for a few seconds and Fusion 360 will start downloading. So here you can see the setup file has downloaded here. So I will just open this setup file by making a left click here. So here you can see the Fusion 360 had started setting up. Since it's cloud-based software, a small portion of this setup is getting installed onto our PC, but most of the things like the file you store, or the designs you make, all will be getting stored onto the clouds only. So right now you can see it is getting setting up, so we have to wait for a few minutes. So here you can see that since my setup is already complete, so the Fusion 360 will getting launched, and here you can see I got a login screen inside the Fusion 360. Since I already told you it's a cloud-based CAD/CAM software, so every time we have to log in to use this software. So I will just write it the email here, or the username of my Autodesk account, to log in into this software. So I will able to use this software. So here you can see at the instead I provided the password, it has sent me some 6 digit code on my connected mobile number. So the reason is because I had activated the two-way authentication to my Autodesk account to make it more secure. So I will just write it down the code here that I had received on my phone. So you can see I just provided the 6 digit code, and I'm able to log in into the Fusion 360. Since I am just logging into the first time, so I have to wait for a few seconds to get it ready for use. So here is my first login to my Fusion 360 screen. You can see that it is saying me that my trial version has already been expired, since I had already used that. So no problem, if you have not used that, you are just first logging into this software, you will get a 30 days license here. So here you can see I got all my files that I had worked on earlier on this Fusion 360 account, and this is the default setup of Fusion 360. So now I am ready to use Fusion 360. I can make my designs, I can enjoy this software, I can learn this software. So just do this too, so that you will be able to learn from my 5-day free workshop. So I will highly recommend you to install this software on your PC, and if you are having any issues in installing, you can just reach me out at any time on my channel. On You can comment me. You have my website. From there you can also contact me. So I will provide the download link for this software in below in the video description. So you can also go and click on there and download this software. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.